Now you guys tell me, what did we learn yesterday? You don't remember? Do I remember? Were we not doing converting fraction to decimals? Yeah. Yeah. So what did we do in the class yesterday?
Sir, I
Yeah.
can't open video.
What is that?
I can't open my video.
That's fine. So tell me, which class? What did we learn yesterday? Huh?
Look like that. Oops.
We did multiplication.
Oh,
So Salmi, for next.
tables yesterday.
I'm sorry.
We did tables yesterday.
That was a recap. Okay. Apart from that, I'll tell you guys what we.
Oh, wait. Oh yeah, I do remember now.
What is that?
Area perimeter.
Area and perimeter. That's what we started again. We started with understanding of what is area, what is perimeter. Yes. So, since Ishan was not there yesterday, let's quickly check table for Ishan, and then we'll resume where we were. So, Ishan, are you ready? So, unmute yourself. Let's see.
Yeah.
So, table till 6, right?
Table till
Till?
table till 9.
Till 9. Okay. Let's quickly check and see how prepared we are. 8, 9, yeah.
8 9s are 72.
Sorry?
72.
6, 8, yeah.
6 8s are 48.
9, 7, yeah.
9 7s are 62.
6, 9, yeah.
6 9s are 54.
8, 8, yeah.
8 times 8 is 64.
7, 7, yeah.
7 times 7 equals 49.
6, 8, yeah.
48.
8, 8, yeah.
64.
9, 5, yeah.
45.
Yeah. 4, 9, yeah.
4 9s are 36.
6, 6, yeah.
6 times 6. 36.
Okay. So, I can clearly see that you have memorized tables, but I would want you to continue doing it so that you become faster. Like if I say 7 8 ja, you should not be saying 7 8 ja 56. No. I would expect you to say, as soon as I finish 7 8 ja, you should say 56. 9 8 ja 72. 6 9 ja 54. 7 7 ja 49. It should come right after I finish. Okay, you don't have to repeat. Yeah. So that's the goal. Yeah. So keep on spending 5 minutes every day, and then we will come back to, we'll keep on revising, keep on checking and see how much we have learned. Okay? Alright. So, yeah, so we'll continue with area and perimeter. Yes, Salini, you're saying something?
I'm gonna forget it.
And whoever speaks, See, I would expect you guys to stay on mute, but when you have to say something, unmute yourself and say it louder and clearer. I want you guys to be loud and clear so that I don't struggle to figure out, okay, what did you say? Not like that, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So area and perimeter. What is area? Area is the volume of
The area is length times perimeter.
length and perimeter. Say that again. Space inside the shape. Yeah, that should be. Salvi, do you remember what is an area? We talked about yesterday.
It's a space inside a shape. Like
Yes.
all the curls
So,
in the form.
Yes. So if you look at any shape, be it a rectangle, square, circle, triangle, any stupid shape, area of that shape is the space inside the shape or the space taken by this guy. So, if I have this shape, the area of this shape is the space taken by this guy, okay? Or the size of the paper that we would need for drawing it. Yeah? Area of any shape is the space taken by that particular thing.
Even 3D shape?
We are talking about 2D shapes right now. Okay? So area of any shape is the space taken by that on the piece of paper or the size of the paper that would be needed for drawing it. This is the area of this shape. This is the area of this shape. This is the area of this shape. Now look at this board, this white board on which I am drawing. This much area is taken by this shape. What is the total area of this board? This much. This is taken by this shape. This is taken by this shape. This is taken by this shape. This is taken by this guy. This guy is taken this shape. What I am left with? This part. Yeah? How much area is remaining? Whatever is outside this one. Yeah? So this was the total area of this shape. This guy consumed this much, this guy consumed this much. We could draw 5 shapes here because they were small objects that we could draw. What if somebody decides to draw a rectangle like this? It literally took all the area on this one. Yeah? On this board. Ishan, put your hand down. I can see your hand which is distracting me. Okay? Yeah. So this rectangle has taken the entire area of this one. Now, let's say I have a land where I am doing farming. Okay? I put plants for rice in this much area. This was my total land. I use this much area for planting rice plants. What is remaining? This much. If I have to put corn, I can only put in this area. Let's say I put corn in this much area. So the double cross area is the one where I have corn. Single cross area is where I have rice. If I want to plant a mango tree, I only this much. Yeah? So area is nothing but the space taken by the shape. And that is why we need to know the area, because it helps you find out how you are going to use that area. If it's a land, this is how I'll use it. If let's say I'm talking about the area of my A4 sheet or my notebook, if you draw a big photo in between, how much area you have remaining for drawing a circle or taking note of what I'm teaching in the class. So that is how you use area. Okay? Yeah? Everybody? With me so far? So area is the space on a surface taken by any object or any shape that you draw. Here? Now, that means bigger the object, more the area required. Smaller the object, lesser the area required. These are triangles, baby triangle, bigger triangle, mommy triangle, daddy triangle. Baby triangle takes very little space. Elder brother triangle takes little more space. Mommy triangle takes more space. Daddy triangle is very fat, taking lot more space. Yeah? So, see, why taking more space or less space? Because this takes less area. The area of this triangle is less. This is little more than that. This is even more than that. This is the most. And all these triangles we could draw on this board because everything took less area than how much area we had on the board. Yeah? Clear? Everybody? Salini, Ishan? Everybody? Now, to three of you, I will not try explaining area anytime in future. I'm assuming that you guys have understood. Okay? Now, again, I'm not talking about the formula and all. I'm just talking about understanding what area means. If you have to relate, let's say if I have been to Kavya's place once. In his house, the land is much bigger. In my house, the land is much smaller. Why? Because the area of the land in Kavya's place is more than the area of the land in my place. Very simple. That's how you can relate. If you go to your neighbor's place, if you see their backyard is bigger than yours, what it means? Their backyard's area is more than your backyard's area. Or if somebody has a smaller backyard, what it means? Their backyard's area is smaller than yours. Yeah? It's area, which tells which is bigger or smaller. Okay? I'm sorry? Just the difference. And you can find the area by absolute value also. I can say, okay, my lot size is 5,900 square feet. You will say my lot size is 14,000 square feet. So obviously 14,000 square feet is more than 5,900 square feet. Yeah? So that's why your area is bigger than mine. Okay? So there is an absolute value that you can use for telling how much it is, rather than just saying this is bigger or smaller. Okay? Ishan, Salini, both of you are with me so far? Okay. Now comes the perimeter. So what is a perimeter? Let them answer, I'll come to you. What is a perimeter? Tell me, Salini.
A perimeter is something that is treating like it's around the shape. If it's a square, it's around the shape.
Okay. Or you can say perimeter is the length of the boundary.
Yeah, the outer.
Outer boundary, yeah? Ishan? So if this is my shape, a triangle, what is the perimeter of this guy? This plus this plus this. Yeah?
Yeah.
If this is a rectangle, what is the perimeter of this guy? This plus this plus this plus this. Yeah?
Yeah.
If somebody says find out the perimeter of this shape. What is the perimeter of this guy? You will find out the length, this length, plus 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 this length. Yeah? You have to just sum it up. This is the length of the boundary is what is called perimeter. Yes, Salini?
I'm sorry, but I'm getting a little bit thirsty.
Go ahead and get some water.
Okay.
I'm sorry? Let's see if we have one here. Alright. So area and perimeter we just understood conceptually what it is. Now let's do some fun. Okay? We just learned what is area. Okay? Area is the space taken by something. Now, let's say this is a rectangle. Okay? One side is 5 centimeter and this side is 4 centimeter. Can you guys tell me what is the perimeter of this guy? No, don't rush.
I know.
Yeah. What is the perimeter of this guy? This is a rectangle. I'm sorry? 80. Okay. Yeah. Shalini, do you know how much the perimeter would be? Is 18 correct answer?
I'm trying.
I'm sorry?
I'm trying to solve a kind of.
Okay. So see, it is simple. So rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So if this is 5 centimeter, this will be 5 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter, this will be 4 centimeter because this is a rectangle.
The area would be fine.
Okay. Yeah. So first thing is perimeter. 5 plus 5, 10. So 5 plus 4, 9. Plus 5, 14. Plus 4, 18. So the perimeter is 18. Now, here, let's look at one more thing. In case of a rectangle, we know that the opposite sides are equal. So let's say we call this side as length and this side as width. What we see? One length plus one more length. Same. Two length and this width plus this width. Two width. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 length plus 2 times of width. Or you can say 2 times length plus width. So you can either remember this formula or you can simply add them together. Either way is fine. But perimeter of a rectangle is length 2 times length plus width. Okay? If you don't remember this formula, then it's perfectly fine. You will just say, okay, this length plus this length, same, 2 times of this, plus this length plus this length, meaning 2 times of this. Okay, that's how you get the perimeter of a rectangle. Now let's come to the area of it. Okay? Now we are trying to find out the area of this. Okay? Now this is 5 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's look at this. If you look at this rectangle, what has happened? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 boxes of each box being 1 centimeter in length and 1 centimeter in width. 20 boxes of 1 centimeter in length and 1 centimeter in width. Every box like that, which is 1 centimeter in length and 1 centimeter in width, is called square centimeter. Okay? Or centimeter square. So every square, look at this, 1 centimeter in width, 1 centimeter in length. This is a square, right? Because this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. This is called 1. It's a square with 1 centimeter or 1 square centimeter. So here if you look at this one, what did I do? I broke this into 20 boxes of square centimeter. Okay? So the area is 20 square centimeter. 20 centimeter square. I don't know if you guys understood this. Let's do it one more time. Let's say I have a rectangle. Ishan and Shalini, pay attention, okay? I have a rectangle which is 3 centimeter in length and 2 centimeter in width. Okay? 1, 2. So, what did I do? I just broke it into 6 boxes. And every box is 1 centimeter this way, 1 centimeter this way. So a square with 1 centimeter length and 1 centimeter width is called a square of a centimeter. A square of a centimeter. A square of a centimeter. So I have how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 square centimeters. Yeah? Now, what this means? This was my length 3 into 2. I had 6 boxes if my length was 3 into 2. If I had, let's say, 4 into 3, I would have had 12 boxes. So what it means is, area of a rectangle is length times width into square boxes or square centimeters. Am I making any sense so far? Are you able to follow me? So, if I have a rectangle with 4 centimeter length and 3 centimeter width, that means I will be making 4 times 3, 12 boxes. I will just mark 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters here and just draw a straight line crossing this. And then you will see if I have 4 centimeter length and 3 centimeter width, I am making 4 into 3. That many square boxes, square centimeter boxes. So that is why it is 4 into 3 square centimeter boxes. Or people say it is when you have a length and a width, area of a rectangle is length times width. See, this is length times width. Length times width. That is how the area of a rectangle is derived. Okay? So area of a rectangle is length times width. Okay? And I was just showing you guys how to look at it in a simpler way. So only remember one thing. A box which is 1 centimeter all side, okay? It is a square of a centimeter. It is a square, right? With 1 centimeter all side. It's a square, 1 times square centimeter. It's a square, 1 square centimeter. I'm not worried about that. I'm just saying that if I look at my rectangle, I have to figure out how many boxes of, how many square centimeter boxes I would need for filling this area. And that is what helps me derive that area, formula for area is length times width. Because I have this times this many boxes here. Okay? Square boxes. Are you guys with me so far? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So, in summary, what we have learned right now is this. Perimeter. So we are looking at rectangle right now. This is not looking at rectangle. Let it look at rectangle. If I have a rectangle with length L and width W, the perimeter is 2 times length plus width. Okay? Length plus this width plus this width. So 2 times length and 2 times width. That is how it is. Area of a rectangle is length times width, because depending on length and width, it will make that many boxes. Length times width multiplied by that many square boxes. So that's why it is this area. Area is this. Now, have you guys understood this? Everybody clear? Shalini, Ishan, everybody clear? Now, tell me, if I have a square, what is the property of a square? All the sides are same length. Yeah? So this is length, this is length, this is also length, this is also length. Can you tell me what will be the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square. Listen to the question clearly, okay? Perimeter of a square with the side as L. Think and answer. Ishan, sit down. Lying down is not an option in the class. Yeah? What is that? No, perimeter. Perimeter of the square. When the side is L, how much is the perimeter of a square? What is that? Yeah. 4 times length. This length plus this length. 1 length plus 2 length. 1 more length, 3 length, plus 1 more length, 4 length. So perimeter of a square will be 4 times length. Yeah? Are you guys with me? Ishan, Shalini? Perimeter of a square will be 4 times the length. Same as rectangle, right? You saw the length, opposite sides are equal. So this length plus this length, 2 length. This length and this length are, width are same. So width plus width. Yeah. So here it is. Here all the sides are same. So perimeter will be this length plus this length plus this length plus this length. 4 times length. Okay?
People say instead of a multiplication sign, they put dot.
Yeah, that also we can do. But just be a little careful, okay? And this are different, okay? This is 3.2, it's a decimal, and this is 3.26. Yeah? You can,
If it was a decimal, it would be like lower than the multiplication sign.
I will not assume anything like that, but yeah, just be careful, okay? Perimeter of a square is 4 times length. What is the area of a square? Area of a square, wait. I want to decide from Salmi or Kavyan, Ishan. What will be the area of a square?
Wait, what number does it say? I can't really see.
I'm sorry?
Wait, I can't really see that part. Can I say?
The area of a square. I'm saying this is a square.
Area of a square is basically like if you have like a desk, like it's not like the border of the desk, it's like the inside, like that's the area.
That's the area, but what is the formula?
Oh, the perimeter is the border.
No, I'm sorry? Shalini is saying something.
Length multiplied by width is
And?
equal blah blah blah. Sorry, the area.
Length times width equals to area. But that is for the rectangle. In case of a square, your length and width both are same.
I know.
L times L. Okay?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
It will be L times L. Okay? Now, it's time for doing some sums. Okay? I'll make you guys do some sums. Okay? Take your pen paper out. You guys have to do some sums. Okay?
Wait, is it about area and perimeter?
Yeah.
Okay.
So note down the sums. Okay? You guys have to do it.
Yeah.
Find out the area of a square. Find out area of a square where the side is equal to 12 centimeter. I'm sorry?
Can I say the answer?
Yeah.
144 centimeters.
144
144 centimeters.
centimeters?
Yeah.
No. Okay. You are pretty close. But I'll tell you. Okay, Ishan, what is the answer?
48.
I'm sorry?
48.
Never ever rush. That's perimeter. I said, what is the area of a square? I gave length as 12 centimeter. What is the area of a square? Yeah. Now, you are not wrong with your answer. You just did not use the unit correctly.
Is it 144?
Yes, 144. But yeah, 144 square centimeters. Yes. Okay. So see, here's the thing. Area of a square, you guys know already. Equal to length times length. What is the length? 12 centimeter. So length is 12 centimeter into 12 centimeter. 12 into 12, 144. Centimeter into centimeter. Square of a centimeter. Any number. 2 into 2. You can say 2 square. 3 into 3. That is how you write it. 2 square. Okay? X into x. You will say x square. Y into y. You will say y square. Okay? This is part of exponents which we'll learn later on. I don't want you guys to learn exponents right now. But then at least this is the minimum that we need to learn. What is that? Exponents? Exponents, yeah. You guys have learned a little bit, but there's more to it. So let's not rush. Okay, now this is one sum that you guys have to do. Now let's do one more. Find out the area and okay. Find out area and perimeter of a rectangle where sides are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Find out the area and perimeter both. Find out the area and perimeter of a rectangle where the length is 12 centimeter and width is 5 centimeter. So find out area and perimeter both. And do it carefully, okay? Tell me with the units. No, it's not difficult. Tell me with the units. Ishan, are you ready?
Yeah, just give me 1 second.
So put your hands down first. When you're ready, you'll raise your hand.
60 units? Okay, I know.
You got it? Okay, let's see. So how much is the area?
The area is 60.
What 60?
Oh, I don't know. 60 centimeters. Yeah.
No, area is never centimeters.
Wait. No, neither.
It is square centimeter. That's what I was doing. I showed you guys. Area V equals length times width. What is my length? 12 centimeter. I will write 12 centimeter. What width? What is my width? 5 centimeter. 12 times 5 is 60. What happens to centimeter? Centimeter into centimeter. That is centimeter square. Okay? Yeah? So, so area when you say, don't forget the unit, okay? People might trick you by giving a little different question. Say, okay, fine. Length is 12 centimeter and width is 5 millimeter.
Okay, by the way, the perimeter is 44 centimeters.
No, we'll come to the perimeter. I'm just telling you something, okay? So, if somebody says length is 12 centimeter and width is 5 millimeter and you ignore the unit, you will go completely wrong. That is why when you try multiply centimeter with millimeter, oh, this is different. So I have to convert this into 1 unit first and then I do the operation, okay? So I'm not complicating this, but I'm saying make sure that you don't forget the unit. Because if you forget the unit, things could go wrong majorly, okay? Alright, what is the perimeter?
34 cm, 34 centimeters.
Yeah. Shalini, what was the answer?
34 centimeters. The perimeter is 34 centimeters.
Okay. 12 and 5 centimeters.
Yes, centimeters is not multiplied centimeters.
Okay. So, Shalini said 34 centimeters. You said how much? 34 what? Unit, what is unit? Square centimeters? Yeah, tell me. Yes. What about you, Sishan? How much is your perimeter?
34
34 what?
centimeters twice.
Centimeter square? Did you say centimeter square, Ishan?
No, it's centimeters.
Centimeters. Yes. So here, see, always look at things in a simpler way. What is my perimeter? Perimeter is 2 times the length, 2 times the length plus width. So, okay, now 2 times 12 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. 12 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. I can read this as 12 banana plus 5 banana. 17 bananas or 17 centimeter. This becomes 17 centimeter. Now 2 multiplied by 17 centimeter. You can only multiply 2 with 17. There is no centimeter here, so centimeter is the main idea. 2 to 17 is 34 centimeters. Yeah? So, when you are multiplying centimeter with centimeter, then only it becomes centimeter square. When you multiply 2 with 2, it becomes 2 square. When you multiply x with x, it becomes x square. You are not multiplying centimeter with centimeter. Why would it become centimeter square at all? Keep it simple. Keep it very simple. Okay? That's what I would suggest. Yeah? Everybody is with me? Okay. What is that? Yes. Okay. Now, let's do one more sum. This time I'm going to trick you guys, okay? I'm telling you that this is a trick question. It's a trick question. Not a difficult question. It's an easy question, but you have to think through it. Find out area of a square whose perimeter is 40 meter. I'm telling you, find out the area of a square whose perimeter is 40 meters. I'm not giving you side. I'm telling you the perimeter of a square is 40 meters. What is the area of the square? Can you guys try it? Tell me.
Area is 100.
Okay, let's see. What 100?
Huh? 100 meters.
Why meters? Excuse me.
100 square meters.
Yes. Yeah. So can you guys tell me what is the area?
So whenever it's area, you have to say square. But when it's square meters.
Let's see. Can you guys try? Shalini, Ishan. Ishan, I can only see the lines on your hand.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Can you find out what is the area of the square?
I can tell you how I got 100.
Yeah, so now Kavyan has been able to solve this one, okay? I want Kavyan to explain this to us. Kavyan, come here and explain. Explain on the back of the
100 square meters.
how. Tell the how.
If it's 40 and there's 4 sides in a square, you divide 40 in.
Okay.
I think I'm messing it up.
Huh? What is that? Okay. So, okay. You guys have to learn the art of telling a story, okay? I'll teach you guys. Good. That's okay. I know you know how to solve it. Yeah, yes, Salini, you're saying something?
I got the answer.
How much is that?
It's 100.
How?
Oh, I did it already. Sorry.
Huh? Huh?
Yeah, it's 100.
100. Yeah, but how?
Like,
I'll explain it.
40, when we do it on a square, like, the square has equal sides.
Yes.
So each has to be equal.
Uh-huh.
So it can be 10 because 10 comes like in the 40. 10
Yes.
times 4 is 40.
Okay.
So like each of them is 10.
Yes.
Then we do the area. We take 2 of them, like,
Uh-huh.
multiplied by width. So like we multiply it and we get 100.
Yes. 100 of what? Can you tell me the unit also?
100 meters.
No. 100
Square meters.
square meters.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Now, Ishan.
Wait.
Okay. He'll join. Okay. Anyway, so this is what I was telling. So Shalini, good job. Shalini and Kavyan, both of you did a good job. I could see it was a trick question, and it was not that difficult. It just required you guys to think about it. When you think, then you can solve.
Can I say my way? So if there's 40, I almost forgot the perimeter, it. you just
There was nothing to forget. You did it very good job, beta. Pata hai na? You did a very good job. You actually thought about it and you explained it. I told you to tell the story. When you guys learn the art of telling a story, when you can explain things to people, it will become much easier. Yeah.
there's 4 sides of a square. So there's
That is another way of doing it, yes. Yes. So, where did Ishan go? He disappeared?
Maybe says he crashes so far.
Okay.
Sorry.
So this is very simple, okay? This sum was not difficult. It just required us to think about it. Okay? And that's what makes us learn things. Yes. When you read this question, right, the same thing, tran that I talk about. Trust is always there. There is nothing in life without trust. Now, read. Find out area of a square whose perimeter is 40 meters. Find out area of a square whose perimeter is 40 meters. I read this 2-3 times. Now I will say, find out the area of a square whose perimeter is 40 meters. The reading part is done. Now analysis. This is when I start thinking, area of a square. But I know that a square has all sides equal. Yeah? Yeah. Ishan, you got the answer as well?
No, I just connected.
Okay.
I got 100 because if the perimeter is 40, the only way to get it is 10. So each one of the sides is 10 meters, and then if you do 10 times 10, it equals 100.
Right. No, so the thing is, area is length square for a square. So length times length is 10 meter into 10 meter. 10 into 10 is 100, meter into meter is meter square. So now, this is the last thing that we are going to do today. I'm just telling you the approach, okay? So be it this sum or any other sum. I keep talking about tran, right?
Yeah.
Trusting, reading, analyzing, and then Nike. So I said this. I will just apply this for solving this. Trust is something that is there always. Now read the question. Find out area of a square whose perimeter is 40 meters. I'll again read it. Find out the area of a square whose perimeter is 40 meters. I read it 2-3 times. I am clear. Now comes the analysis. That is when I start thinking, I have to find out the area of a square. Take your hands out, Ishan. That is disturbing. Remove your hand. So this is when I'm reading it, then I'm analyzing it. This is asking me to find out the area of a square whose perimeter is given. I know that the area of a square is length square. So I need to know the length to find out the area. But I'm not given length, I'm given perimeter. And I'm still thinking, I've still not started doing anything. Then I realize, what is the perimeter? I know perimeter of a square is 4 times length. So basically I can derive the length from the perimeter. If perimeter is 40, my length is 1/4 of this. Because 4 times of length is 40. So one length is 40 by 4, 10 meters. So I got my length, 10 meters. Now if I have to find out the area, I know, area of a square is length into length. That is 10 meters into 10 meters. That is 100. Meter into meter is meter square. So remember one thing, whenever we try calculating area or perimeter, never ever ignore or overlook the unit part of it. Because if you miss the unit, if you don't say meter square, if you just say 100, this is not correct. If you say centimeter square by any means, that is also not correct. Because 100 square meter area versus 100 square centimeter area, imagine how small the difference is. Yeah? So, don't forget the unit. If you say 100 meter square versus 100 kilometer square, we are talking about a huge difference. So, never ever ignore the unit. Because if you ignore the unit, everything goes wrong. Yeah? We are good. So that brings us to the end of the class. So we have learned area and perimeter of a square, rectangle. What is the basic difference between area and perimeter? And then we did some sums. I'll give you guys more assignments and then practice them. Try solving them all. Once you solve them, show it to your parents and explain them also how you are doing it. Because if you don't explain them, you might do something or not checking everybody's assignment, you will end up learning something that is not correct. Okay? Alright, that brings us to the end of the class. You guys can drop off. Enjoy the rest of your evening. We'll meet again next Saturday.
Sir,
Yep.
I did something like this. I'm thinking,
Uh-huh.
huh, this is
Okay.
Teddy. Teddy says hi. He crashes to a car. Oops, Teddy dies.
Okay.